If you want to take photos in the highest resolution possible on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, there is a simple trick to do so. So of course we want to open the camera first, then we want to go to the Ultra HD camera mode. To do so, we need to swipe up from this point over here where we have different video modes. So swipe up like this, and then go to Ultra HD. Then switch from 50 megapixels to 200 by tapping on the megapixels over here. And if you take a photo with 200 megapixel camera, of course you will get the highest resolution possible. There are not many additional options, so for example the aspect ratio will be the same all the time. You cannot really change it. You will use 4.3x zoom, but if you take a photo with this camera, with this mode, you will get the highest resolution that is available on this phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.